This is question 8 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2017 forenoon session. Group 1 lists the type of gain or loss of a strength in soils. Group 2 lists the property or process responsible for the loss or gain of a strength in soil. So there are two lists are given in group 1 and group 2. The correct match between group 1 and group 2 is, so we need to do the correct match between the group 1 and group 2. So there are four process is given in group 2. So let's understand each process one by one. When a clay soil is remolded, then there is a loss of strength in the soil, and that loss of strength of soil is measured in terms of sensitivity. So we can say the sensitivity is a measure of the loss in a strength of soil as a result of remolding. Further, this sensitivity is defined in mathematical terms also, as it is the ratio of the unconfined compressive strength of an undisturbed specimen of the soil to the unconfined compressive strength of a specimen of the same soil after remolding at unaltered water content. So this is called sensitivity. And due to remolding, whatever the amount of loss in a strength of soil occurred, some part of loss is regained, and this property of the clay is called thixotropy. So thixotropy is the property of certain clays by virtue of which they regain, if left alone for a time, a part of the strength lost due to remolding at unaltered moisture content. So we can say the due to thixotropy, the some part of loss of a strength is regained in the soil. The next term is boiling. So in case of the upward flow condition, that is, if the water flows in the soil from bottom to top, that is in vertical direction, then the effective stress is written as sigma z dash equal to z gamma sub minus I gamma w into z. So this is the equation for effective stress at any depth z in the soil. So you can see there are two terms. The first term is z gamma sub, which is representing, it is the pressure of the submerged soil acting downward, and the second term is I gamma wz, and it is called the seepage pressure, and it is acting upward. When this both the terms becomes equal, then the value of effective stress becomes 0, and this condition is called boiling. And when this the effective stress reduces to 0, then the soils loses all their shear strength and cannot sustain any extra load. So that phenomena is called boiling. Now the next term is liquefaction. So the liquefaction is defined as, it denotes a condition where a soil will undergo continued deformation at a constant residual stress or with no residual resistance due to the build-up and maintenance of high pore water pressure, which reduces the effective confining pressure to a very low value. So liquefaction is initiated during the course of cyclic stress application. If you wish to explore your knowledge about liquefaction, you may watch this lecture, module 4, lecture 22, liquefaction, in the course of soil dynamics by Professor Deepankar Chaudhary, IIT Bombay. Now let's move to the question again. So in group 1, the first option is given as regain of strength with time. So just now we have studied this properties due to thixotropy. So we can say the correct option for P is 3, thixotropy. Now the second option is loss of strength due to cyclic loading. So this is due to, and this is called liquefaction. So the correct option for Q is 2. Now the next statement is loss of strength due to upward seepage, and it is called the condition boiling. So option 1 is the correct for statement R. Now the next statement S is loss of strength due to remolding, and it is called the sensitivity. So correct option is 4. So we can say in option, this is for P is 3. P is 3. We can say there are two options. P is 3. Q is 2. Q 2. Now this is wrong. R1. R1 is 4. So option C. So this is option A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. So we can say the correct match is in option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.